What is trading? If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Trading is the act of buying and selling assets like currencies, stocks, crypto, and other securities with the goal of making a profit from price changes. There are several types of trading, including stock trading, where you buy and sell shares of companies like Tesla or Apple. Forex trading, which involves currency pairs like US dollar to Japanese yen, and crypto trading with digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. The basic principle is simple. You buy low and sell high, or alternatively, sell high and buy low through short selling. Trading styles vary significantly based on time frames. Scalping involves super short-term trades lasting seconds or minutes. Day trading requires opening and closing trades within a single day. Swing trading means holding positions for days or weeks, while position trading is long-term holding for months or years. To start trading, you need several essential components: a broker or trading platform, starting capital, chart knowledge, and a solid risk management plan. To begin trading, go to your website and search for MetaTrader, then download it. After downloading, register for your account. You can choose between a demo account or real account. Once signed in, look at the price curves and decide whether to set your position to sell or buy.